In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a logo into a video in CapCut step by step, and by the end, you'll know how to add it cleanly as a brand mark or even turn it into a subtle watermark. This is a super useful trick if you want your videos to look more professional, protect your content, or keep your branding consistent across every upload. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut Desktop and create a new project. Once your workspace loads, go to the top left area of the screen and click Import inside the Media tab. Now select both your main video file and your logo image file from your computer. For the best result, I recommend using a PNG logo with a transparent background because that gives you the cleanest look and makes the logo blend nicely over the video. After importing your files, you'll see them in the media bin. The next step is to arrange everything on the timeline. Take your main video clip and drag it down onto the primary track at the bottom of the timeline. Then grab your logo image and drag it onto a new track directly above your video. This is important because the logo needs to sit on top of the footage, not behind it. Once both clips are in place, you want to make sure the logo stays on screen for the full length of the video. To do that, hover your mouse over the right edge of the logo clip on the timeline. When your cursor changes, click and drag the edge outward to stretch the clip so it matches the exact duration of your main video. If the logo clip is too short, it will disappear early, so this step makes sure it remains visible from start to finish. Now it's time to resize and position the logo so it looks polished. Click on the logo clip in the timeline to select it, and then look at the preview window in the center of the screen. You'll see a selection box around the logo. Click and drag one of the outer blue corners inward to make the logo smaller. Then click inside the selection box and move it to the corner you want, such as the bottom right, top left, or any other spot that works best for your layout. If you want a more precise adjustment, you can also use the scale and position controls in the video and basic panel on the right side of the screen. That gives you exact control over the size and placement, which is great if you want your branding to stay consistent across multiple videos. If you want your logo to look more like a watermark, there's one more option you should know about. Keep the logo clip selected, then go back to the video and basic panel on the right. Scroll down until you find the opacity slider. Lowering the opacity to around 40 to 60% makes the logo semi-transparent, which gives it a cleaner, more subtle look without distracting from the video itself. This is perfect for creators who want branding without making the logo too bold, and that's really all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you can insert a logo into your CapCut video, adjust its size, place it exactly where you want, and even turn it into a watermark if needed. This is one of those small editing skills that can make a big difference in how professional your videos look. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.